For this connection, it will go over how to manually create a custom app within Shopify. If you're not using the OAuth 2-way to set up a connection, you'll need to look into setting it up this way instead. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Apps section within Shopify. Once you're here, you'll go up to Develop Apps in the top right corner, click this, and it will take you to a new page to which you can set up and create a custom app. Clicking on Create App in the top right corner creates a new pop-up that will then allow you to enter in the app name, set this up as Flxpoint, and you can leave the default email for the app developer. Typically, it's going to be the email that is set up for your Shopify admin. Click Create App, and it will take you to a new page. Upon this page, you'll see two options: Configure Admin API Scopes and Configure Storefront API Scope. To set up the settings for what's needed, we'll click on Configure Admin API Scopes. This is where you'll enable our recommended options for read and write. These options should include customers, fulfillment services, inventory, location, orders, and products. Fulfillment services, inventory, and products will only need read and write access if you're using Shopify as a sales channel. Otherwise, these three will only need read access if you're using Shopify as a source and not a sales channel. By granting read and write access, it allows Flxpoint to connect to your Get Inventory primary, send purchase orders, fulfillment requests, and to get shipments. Once you've configured these requests, click Save, and then you can click Install in the top right corner. Click Install once more on the new pop-up, and then you'll be granted your Admin API Access Token and your API key. You can take these, create a new connection in Flxpoint as a basic auth, copy and paste your API key, and then your Shopify API Access Token will be your Flxpoint password. Once you've configured the other settings, click Save Connection, and you're good to go.